How to go viral on YouTube. Going viral on YouTube can be a difficult task, but there are certain strategies you can use to increase your chances of success. Here are some tips for making your videos go viral on YouTube. Create high-quality, engaging content. People are more likely to share and watch videos that are well-produced and interesting. Make sure your videos are visually pleasing, have good sound quality, and are engaging. Optimize your titles and descriptions. The title and description of your video are what people will see when they come across your video on YouTube. Make sure your title is catchy and accurately reflects the content of your video. Use keywords in your description to help people find your video. Use hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to make your video more discoverable on YouTube. Use relevant and popular hashtags in the title and description of your video. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on your social media accounts and encourage your friends and followers to share them as well. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help expose your channel to a new audience. Use YouTube ads. YouTube ads can help you reach a larger audience by promoting your videos to people who are likely to be interested in your content. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, create playlists, and ask your audience to participate in polls or Q&A sessions. This engagement helps to build a community around your channel and increase the chances of your videos going viral. Be consistent and upload regularly. The more content you upload, the more opportunities you have for one of your videos to go viral. Try to upload videos on a regular schedule so your audience knows when to expect new content from you. It's important to keep in mind that going viral is not something that can be guaranteed or forced. It's something that happens organically. By following these tips and creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you can increase your chances of your videos going viral on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.